In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Lotus in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So Lotus, in case you haven't noticed, has been added with a new update over here, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it for free very easily and very quickly. Now over here, let me teleport down, there we go. There's this new island in the middle of your island over here. Where's the angry plant? Now, it's called angry plant or hungry plant, whatever. It looks a bit angry, that's why I called it angry. And this plant over here, don't know why it doesn't have a head right now, but still, you can walk up to it, click on E, and after you do this, it will tell you what you basically have to feed it. So right now it wants a daffodil that weighs at least 0.22 kilos, and you just have to feed it that. So whatever it says, you want to make sure you have that in hand, then click on take this plant, and then it will basically eat it and spit out a seed pack. And inside that seed pack, let me show you, this is what you can get. So you can get the raspberry, cranberry, durian, eggplant, as well as lotus over here. So of course, it's going to be very, very rare, and you're going to have to get a bit lucky. And also, you will have to try quite a few times for it to actually appear inside your seed pack once it spins. But of course, it's still very doable. Now, there's also this premium seed pack over here where you can see it has a 2.5% chance to actually obtain, so to actually spawn once you spin this. So of course you have a bigger chance, but it's still obtainable inside the basic pack. You will just have to feed this monster over here in the middle. You'll have to feed the beast quite a few times if you want to get it for yourself as well. So that's pretty much it. Let me know down below in the comments if you were able to get it yet or not. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.